Hey beauties, welcome back to What Karen Loves. I am in my car today. I promised you guys I would do a fashion related video. My face might be a little bit red right now because I just washed my face, but and it's really windy right now, but so I wanted to do a new fashion IGTV video anyways because I haven't done one. I don't know, it's been a minute. So I figured I could do like that and then put it in the video and stuff like that. I thought that'd be kind of fun. So you guys can see, like, you know, some outfit ideals. And pretty much, you know, IGTV. So I'm gonna do like 3 outfits, and it'll be like a road to like the video format of the outfits, of course. And I'll put which one's which, and then at the end of the video, which is the outro, I'll talk about the outfits. You know what I mean? Because I haven't figured out the whole editing software situation right now, but making it work. So yeah, using my phone. So hopefully you guys can, hopefully this quality is good. It looks good from my point of view. And it's really sunny, so that helps with the lighting situation, but I look really red right now because I just washed my face. So I'm gonna go to the mall, and not too sure what store I'm gonna go with yet. But you'll get to see some outfit ideas, and then whichever one I pick, you'll get to see the link for the IGTV video, which will be in the description of this video. So it is really, seriously, it is really windy. I'm waiting for like a cow to come back. Anyways, there's literally trash cans scattered literally everywhere around here. Anyways, I'm getting off subject. I'm gonna go and see what I can find, and hopefully some cute outfit that is maybe Valentine's related. What do you guys think? Valentine's related? I think that'd be kind of fun. Seeing as we're kind of like still in winter, so maybe we can do like Valentine's related. I don't know. I'll see how it goes. We'll see. Maybe just like outfit ideas in general. I don't know. But I guess I'll see you guys at the end of this video. But anyways, stay tuned. Hey beauties, welcome back. You just now saw all 3 outfits, and it is featured Altered State. That store has been in my favorite for a little bit. I think I've seen a post featured in them a while back. And I just really love their clothing, and they have so many cute things, I swear. Hopefully soon I can get some stuff there because I really love all their things in that store, I swear. But no. Alright, so we're going to talk about all 3 outfits and what I think about all of them, of course. And I hope you guys really, really like this type of video. Would have pieced it better, but you know what I mean? It's just hard to do. But I'm trying my best to incorporate more content and more fashion related things, and I love doing the fashion IGTV series, and I needed to record a new one anyways. It's been a while. I've been so busy lately. I really wanted to not only incorporate what I need to do for What Karen Loves, but also incorporate what I need to do for Instagram. So here I am. But anyways, hopefully the lighting's not terrible. It's horrible in here. We need more lighting in this just direction, to be honest. Anyways, let's get on into it, shall we? First and foremost, we got the first outfit, which is featured the green jumpsuit, as you guys saw. That one was so, I'm not even gonna lie, it was so hard to like incorporate the like photo the way I wanted it to be incorporated. Because jumpsuits are so long and they're fabulous, but like they're so hard to like get them to like cooperate with you, you know what I mean? So I did the best I could with that one. And I really did love how it turned out though. It captured all the emos of it, and each, you know, thing of it. So and I love how each piece went together. I love the color of the jumpsuit as well, and that pop of white that goes with it. It goes so good with it too. Like that pop of white, just like, ooh, yes. And I think that really like brings the outfit together, and it goes good with the boots or shoes. I can't remember if they're boots or shoes. I don't know. I can't remember, to be honest. I just kind of grabbed what I thought would go together with all of them, to be honest. And I really love those shoes. So let's get on into outfit number 2. Okay, which is the white polka dot dress that you guys saw. And I actually really thought this one was cute, and I loved how it looked, and I think that it would make a cute outfit ideal for a date or dinner that you're going for Valentine's Day or whatever you're doing. It is still windy out there, as you guys can tell. But anyways, I really think it would make a really cute outfit, you know what I mean? Because like, it's so cute. I just love it. The little ruffles and just the polka dots, the buttons, and I really like it. So okay. Alright, outfit number 3, which is the white shirt and the jean skirt. I really loved how the shirt and the skirt went together, and I like the design of the shirt as well, the way it looked. The end of the shirt had, you know, the little tassels, if you will. I think that's what they're called. Yeah, anyways. And one of those days today. Anyways, I really loved the way it looked and that whole aspect of it, and I really thought that it went great with the skirt. Maybe you probably pair it with a nice undershirt. But overall, it was really cute. I thought the whole outfit went great together, and I think that would make a really good outfit for Valentine's Day or winter, because we're still kind of like cold right now here in Virginia, to be honest. It keeps being wonky. It's like it wants to be warm, and then it wants to be cold, and then it's raining, and then it's storm. So it's just like, yeah, and everyone wants to make fun of. Anyways, let's keep on. And I have to say, all 3 outfits really paired nicely with those shoes. I really think they were booties or boots. I feel like they were, but I just can't remember. They look like just, you know, like sandals per se. I don't know. I think they were boots, but I just grabbed them because I thought like it would pair great with all of the 3 outfits, because like it wasn't just, you know, it was just, you know, a common color, a really pretty looking shoe, and I thought it would, you know, make the outfits pair together still good, so it wouldn't look weird. So I thought it would look still good, you know. I always try to pair them with shoes if I can. There are some stores around here that don't have shoes, so I found some that I thought would really go good, and I thought that would make it good. So okay, and I really love each outfit and how all 3 would make perfect outfits for Valentine's Day. But here's the question: which outfit was my favorite? I don't know, because I really loved all of them, to be honest. But I would have to say that outfit number 2 which is the white polka dot dress. Really stood out for me. I feel like that's the first time I did a dress. I can't remember, to be honest. It's been so long. But I feel like I really wanted to do something different this time around, and that dress really stood out to me. And I really loved how it looked and how cute it was, and how this would work for a Valentine's Day type look that I was trying to go with. Like, I wanted to do a Valentine's Day related video, and all three outfits really did do that for me. But outfit number 2, I really loved how it looked, and I loved how, like, you know, cute it was, and it really gave a different type of outfit ideal perspective, if you will. And I really did enjoy. You guys know I love, like, piecing together outfits anyways, and styling out together outfits and making outfit ideals. I love this series to do, and like trying to come together and bring outfits together is just something I really do enjoy, whether it's the blogs, whether it was, you know, just like bringing outfits together, whether it's video or like photo form. I just always do love that, and I can't wait to do a fashion haul where I'm like buying outfits for myself and showing you guys what I got, and like trying them on and doing that type of stuff. That will actually, I keep pointing this way and the camera's this way. I can't wait to actually do that, because like that will actually be coming very soon, hopefully in the next, I will say the next maybe 2 to 3 weeks, maybe longer. I don't know yet, but it depends. I'm not too sure. It has to be like really planned, because like, you know, that's why I planned today to do this today, because it's an off day, and I made sure I had enough time to really focus and go into detail of outfits. I went to a few stores before I went to this one. This one was always my really favorite, because it always has really cute outfit ideals, or like cute outfits in general, or cute clothes. And I really love the way they have the whole store in general. And that one was my last one. I'm like, okay, let's see. I bet you I probably found something here I liked, and I did. I tried to go other places. I did check out the Forever 21 and Barbie collection, and that is just some interesting collection, you guys. Those jerseys, and there's some it's pretty cute, to be honest. But anyways, I really did enjoy looking at some stories today and trying to see if I could find some outfit ideals, but then going with my gut and going with Oster State, because I really do enjoy their stuff, and I think they have some cute options. If you have not checked their stuff out, I would recommend it. I will leave their link to their online store down below if you'd like to check it out. And I'll probably put their @ too for social media, as far as I know, for Instagram. I think they have a Twitter too, but I'll put that down below if you would like to check it out. And of course, I'll put the IGTV video down below for the which will be probably outfit number 2. Will be down below in the description below. Go check it out and give it a view. And all their social media usually is in the IGTV video anyways, like the description. So you can check it out there as well. So anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and let me know down below what you'd like to see soon. I really did enjoy doing this one, so hope you guys liked it. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next one. Hope you guys have a great day. That's all. XOXO. Oh, check out the blog too down below in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. That's all.